Morning, Wes here, snowed in again. I thought I'd just do some videos to help with the revision. So I'm going to show you an integration by substitution. I'm going to integrate x e to the x squared dx between 2 and 3. And we've been told that we've been given the substitution, let u equal x squared. So how do we proceed with this? Well, the first thing I'm going to do is a definite integral, as I've said, because we've got limits. So I'm going to change those. Because u is x squared, when x is 3, when x is 3, u would be 3 squared, which is 9. So the upper limit here is going to be 9, and when x equals 2, u is going to be equal to 2 squared, which is equal to 4. So we know that this new integral is going to be between 4 and 9. Okay, so far so good. So we're letting u equal x squared. So e to the x squared, that's just going to become e to the u. So let's write that in. Okay, we now need to, if we can get x dx in terms of u, we can proceed. So coming around here, du by dx is equal to 2x, which means if I multiply both sides by dx, du is equal to 2x dx. Then if I divide both sides by 2 or multiply both sides by half, whichever you prefer, it's the same thing, you get a half du equals x dx. Now let's have a look. X dx is what we're out to, we need that in terms of u, and hey, we've got it, a half du. So let's put that in here. So it's going to be a half. I'm going to put that at the front of the integral. So we have completely transformed our variable. We've made the substitution. We've gone from x to u. So this means we're now in a position to integrate. This is quite easy, actually. It's going to be a half. If we integrate e to the u, it's just e to the u. And that's between the new limits of 9 and 4. So our answer is going to be a half e to the 9. Sorry, I'm holding the camera and writing, so it's a bit messy, I guess. It's going to be a half e to the 9 minus e to the 4. And that's our final answer. And because up here, just to recap, up here, we changed the limits. We put the limits in terms of u. We don't have to sub back in here, and I think that's the most efficient way of doing that, and that's our answer.